In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Klaviyo profiles with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're managing a mailing list or cleaning up your database, understanding how to remove profiles efficiently can be a necessary skill for maintaining the integrity of your data. First, let's start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Head over to klaviyo.com/login and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on the Profiles section. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the contacts within your account. If you're looking for a specific profile, make good use of the search bar. You can search by email address, name, or phone number, whatever information you have on hand. When you've located the contact you wish to delete, click on their name or email to open up their profile details. You'll notice several tabs here, including Information, Activity Feed, Lists and Segments, and Events. These tabs provide a detailed look at the person's interactions and subscriptions within your systems. To proceed with deleting the profile, find the top right corner of the page. There's either an ellipsis represented by 3 dots or an Actions drop-down menu. Click on it and then choose Delete Profile. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure this is what you want to do. Confirm the deletion, and the profile will be removed from your database. A quick tip: if the profile is part of any active automation, you'll want to remove them from those flows first to avoid any disruptions. Now, if you need to delete multiple profiles simultaneously, first navigate to Profiles, then Lists and Segments. Open the list or segment containing the profiles you want to remove, and select the checkboxes next to each contact. Click Manage, and then Remove from List. This will unsubscribe them. For a permanent deletion, however, export their emails, then manually search and delete each profile individually. At present, the ability to perform bulk permanent deletions directly from the dashboard is limited. For larger scale removals, you may want to consider using the Klaviyo API. If you're managing extensive lists or require automation, the Klaviyo Profile Delete endpoint can be particularly useful. You'll need your private API key and the specific profile ID, which you can find within each profile's details. This method can be executed via your backend systems or through API testing tools like Postman. After completing the deletion process, verify that the profiles have been removed. They should no longer appear in profiles, and they will be automatically removed from any lists, segments, flows, and analytics. If you search for their email again, it should no longer be found, confirming the successful removal from your Klaviyo data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and clean up your Klaviyo profiles. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any further questions or for more guides like this.